Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm the Crafty Gamer, and today I want to do another Pokemon TCG unboxing, namely the Mythical Keldeo Pin Collection box unboxing. So let's get to it. Alright, so here it is guys, the Mythical Keldeo box. Let's get this baby open. It has got the Keldeo promo card in there and 2 Generations booster packs, which you cannot buy separately, by the way. You only buy them in these kind of boxes, and the Elite Trainer box, released in 2016. Oh, and of course the pin. So let's get this box out of the way. There's like this little poster in here. Celebrate 20 years of Pokemon. There's a little checklist for all the other boxes they released in 2016, the Mythical boxes. Let's put that to the side. Here is the Keldeo pin. There's the. This is always a bit tricky. Oh, we got it. Yeah, there we go. For promo, card itself is pretty straight. That's nice. There we got Keldeo. We got Blastoise and Venusaur booster packs from Generations. My favorite one used to be Bulbasaur, so I'm going to save this one for last. I'm going to open up Blastoise first. That makes any sense. Last time I didn't have much luck with Generations, but hopefully today that will change. So I think it was 3 on 3. Hopefully. A Psychic Energy, a Diglett, a Pikachu. Oh, that's so cute. Zubat, Chikorita, Radiant Collection, Fable, Maintenance, Reverse Ghastly, Altaria, the Radiant Collection, and a Parasite. So unfortunately, no Team Flare Grunt or any X card, but still get the Venusaur pack, so hopefully I got something in there. I managed to open this pack. So, here we go. Zubat. Magmar. Ooh, that's a cool looking card. Diglett. Ooh. There go all the cards. Let's just drop everything. That's great. Diglett, right, Fighting Energy, Raichu, Olympia. One of your active Pokemon, one of your bench Pokemon. If you do heal 30, then ooh, it's like a switch, but it also heals. That's nice. It's still standard. So put that in my deck. A Golbat, Reverse Hitmonlee. Ooh, Yveltal. Ooh, hang on. Is that reverse or is that? Oh, the Radiant Collection. Oh, that is nice. Oh, you already saw this one. Rapidash. Still, unfortunately, no Team Flare Grunt or no EX cards, but we did get an Yveltal. I'm pretty sure how you pronounce that. Which I think is a really cool Pokemon. And we got the Olympia trainer card, which I'm really happy about as well. So unfortunately the box is empty, so that's it for this unboxing guys. Please leave a like if you like this video. If you want to have any questions or comments, please post them in the comment section below. If you want to see more videos, though, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button down there. And you can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and be sure to check out my website. I'll see you guys in the next one, and stay crafty guys.